Good day all. You're welcome to English class. We are going to focus our discussion on vocabulary development today. So we are going to begin with register. And I believe register is not a new thing to you because you have learned about this. And in our previous lesson, among the comprehension tips, you learned that it is always good to learn how to spell and also learn their pronunciation as well. So I expect you to demonstrate that here. So you are to use your dictionary to find the meanings of the following words and phrases associated with the building industry. So here are the following words. So please use your dictionaries, check the real pronunciation of these words and also their meaning. It will help. And once you do that, don't forget about them. Word building. That's the next vocabulary development we're going to consider. And under this, we are going to talk about three things: synonyms, antonyms, and homophones. So I'm going to begin with synonym. So when we talk of synonym, it refers to a word or phrase that means the same as another word or phrase in the same language. So words that have similar meaning, we call them synonyms. So for instance, I have this word obtuse, is having the same meaning with stupid. Also, protagonist is the same as hero. Purchase is the same as buy. So there are words that have their synonyms. So please, you can use your textbooks or you can browse and get so many words of the same kind. Antonyms. These are words that are nearly opposite in meaning. For instance, the opposite of sincere is lie, and the opposite of top is bottom. The opposite of freedom is captivity, and the opposite of death is alive. So there are so many words of this kind, so you are expected to look for more words that are similar to this. Homophones. This refers to a word pronounced like another word, but with a different meaning and spelling. In other words, when two or more different written forms have the same pronunciation and different meaning, they are described as homophones. So what I mean here is that it is possible to have two or three more words that have the same spelling, same pronunciation, but different meaning. You may likely have words that have different spelling but the same pronunciation and different meaning. So such words are referred to as homophone. So for example, I have the word bank, and the word bank could refer to river bank, blood bank, or financial institution. So be very careful on using words like this in order to avoid ambiguity in your sentences. Exercise. You are to identify each of the following pairs as an example of synonyms, antonyms, and homophones. Number 1, we have hard, difficult. 2, pity, sympathy. 3, where. 4, eternal, temporary. 5, black, white. 6, which. 7, bicker, squabble. 8, hole. 9, busy, idle. 10, defend, protect. So I expect that knowing the meaning of synonyms, antonyms, you are to arrange these words from number 1 to 10. You are to arrange them accordingly. That is, you are to group them based on their class. The ones that are under synonyms, make sure you write them under synonyms. That means you are going to have a table to arrange these words. Good day. You are to submit this through the displayed number. Good day.